So this video is just to show you how to change the cabin filter on a Peugeot Partner or a Citroen Berlingo van. So this is a UK spec right hand drive, and in this case this one is electric, but they're all the same. So it's really awkward, far more awkward than it needs to be, but anyway, I've done loads of these, and hopefully this will give you the tips how to do it. So firstly, you must remove this panel at the bottom. That sits under there above your pedals. Really simple to remove. Just 3 little clips like that along the front, and then it will probably just drop down anyway. I have removed this panel which sits there. Again, really simple to remove. It's just held on with these spring clips, so you just give it a yank down and that will come away. This does have an extra switch fitted, so I can't actually remove it. And then your cabin filter is up in there. However, it is really difficult to get to because this air duct housing sits up in there and gets in your way, and it really hampers getting your hand in there. It's really difficult if you don't remove this. However, removing this is insanely difficult as well. So I've done many of these without removing this, and you end up with cut hands and really struggling. And in this case I did try to do it without removing that, and I pulled the tab off the filters trying to get them out. So anyway, to remove this, you've got to push this tag in on this side, pushing this side in to release this side. And the only way you're going to do it is to adjust the steering wheel column height to give you a little bit of room to kick the bottom out just a little bit, and then getting a long screwdriver to push that tab, and pushing that tab in here just pushes that open, and then hit the hold the bottom and you can sort of wiggle it out. They are very stiff, and if they haven't been removed before, they are really awkward to get out. So I'll just show you. It clips in at the top there, and you just want to do that and sort of force it out. Once you've got that out, it is so much easier to get to the cabin filter. You have that cover on the front, standard cover, and if I haven't removed this one yet, but yeah, without that in the way, it is so much easier to get to. And there we can see the pollen filter is coming out, and it's in 2 halves. So I will show you a new one. We've got 2 rectangular sections, and you slide one in and then the other one at the top. So I hope that helps. If you struggle and do it without removing this, you will probably regret it, because it is insanely difficult if you don't get that out. But getting that out for the first time in its own right will take you, it should only take you seconds. I've played around with these before for 10-15 minutes and still struggled to get that out. But anyway, if you can get that out, the job is very, very much easier.